And welcome to the Bee Pete's Beekeeping channel, where we love everything beekeeping. It has just finished raining. I did colony number 1 inspections in the rain. Moving on to colony number 5. So this is the split box colony. I've seen bees going in and out, not that many. Last time they had emergency cells, so I don't know what's happened there. We're going to find out in a minute. So let's pop the top. See what we find. The smoke has died. It's been raining, obviously. Oh, it's stuck down. Stuck to the board. Hey girlies. Well, girlies are still here. It's nice to see. You're not really doing much flying and stuff. Right, they've drawn out. It looks like they've touched that cone just in the middle, but not too much actually. Right, next frame. Right, so they're certainly bringing in nectar. In the middle, no, nectar, pollen. There's no eggs or anything in there. Don't firm me, girlies. So this was made out of the swarm cell from colony number 3. They had a queen, which was nice and chubby. I thought all was good, but then we started drawing emergency cells, which is not good. So if we can see where we're at. We are in the middle here. No, there's nothing, there's no eggs. Nope, definitely no eggs. Can't remember where the emergency cell was, but I left them. Certainly left them with one. There is what looks like a bee birthday there, so they're a good 3 weeks without any new brood. Again, this side. Nope, nothing in there. I'm pretty sure the emergency cell was just one side of the middle. Yeah, not good. There's quite a lot of bees, so they're probably quite well off really, but just no queen, or no mated queen. Let's have one look to see whether we can, one final look to see whether we can still see her at all or not. It's okay, they're packing in stores, there's nothing else in there. Have another check. I'd expect to see the emergency cell out by this point, because it was 7 days last time, so it'll be 17 days this time, so it's kind of a few days over. I think 16 that is its queen cell duration. Don't see anything that looks queen cell like. Oh, there, in fact she's there. Just there. You can make her out. She's hidden by other bees. Let me try and uncover her again. They're there, so she's there. We definitely have a queen. Is she laying, or is she too new? Come on girlie, lay something for us. Nothing like forcing laying on film. I think she might be mated as well. She's a big old bottom there. another little look to see. Anyway, okay, so, well, we do have what looks like a mated queen. Let's put everyone back together. What I might do is just whip one of these frames from the side as well, just to fill the gap. Right, cut them back over. What was that? Which way around was it? That way around. Okay, all good. They're all covered over now, so they should be okay. Other side of it, this roof is a bit black, I might just flip this one on instead. Perfect. Okay, so we have colony number 5. Looks like it might pick up. Initially didn't look that good, but it hopefully should do now, given the fact that there is what looks like a mated queen in there. So fingers crossed she comes through. Thank you for watching. Please do comment, like, subscribe, rate, share, the excellent things. I will see you on the next inspection. Thank you.